I'm coming since 10 years in Budapest. This is my third or fourth time lecturing in DentalWorld, and obviously the place to be, the place to come is the DentalWorld in Budapest. So I'm Joseph Choukroun. I'm an MD, surgeon, general surgeon, anesthesiologist, pain clinician. I'm not a dentist, but I'm involved in the biology because I'm the designer and inventor of the PRF technique. My lecture was about osteoimmunology and how to improve the bone behavior through the immune system response. This is today the main topic in the bone field. It's a huge exhibition. We are very surprised because Hungary is not a big country, but huge exhibition means there are a lot of people coming to Hungary, and I know that a lot of French people, they are coming to Budapest to get education, but it's not a surprise. No, because I just came this morning. I'm leaving in half an hour because I have another lecture in another congress tomorrow, and I need to leave. I'm coming since 10 years in Budapest. This is my third or fourth time lecturing in DentalWorld, and obviously the place to be, the place to come is the DentalWorld in Budapest. Thank you.